Today this topic is characteristic of Zener diode. This diode is very important for semiconductor devices, and the symbol of Zener diode is this arrowhead. This is called arrowhead, and this is called bar, and plus, and this is minus. And now characteristic of it has this is 0 point, and the range of voltage is up to 10 to 12 voltage. That means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. It has been seen or observed that from the getting the chart of voltage in between voltage and current, we see that at 0 this value is 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8. Now, it has been seen when we apply 6 voltage to Zener diode, it abruptly breaks down. So, the plotting of graph, the plotting of curve is very essential to draw. That means we know that to plot a curve, we take 3 points. Suppose this is first point, and this is the second point, and this is third point. And first we see this voltage is called breakdown voltage. 8 voltage is called Zener voltage, and this is breakdown voltage. So, and when our doping is high in the Zener diode, when our doping is high, this is the sharp breakdown. That means this is called avalanche breakdown. This curve, now you may see this white curve is called avalanche breakdown, and this yellow line is called Zener breakdown. The difference is that in this position doping is very low, and this position doping is very high. So it is called avalanche breakdown, and this is called Zener breakdown. So any curve, whenever you are going to plot, you are going to draw the curve, this approach is called eyeball approach. Eyeball approach. That means you may remember that it is also called Abbe approach. Abbe approach. Abbe is the scientist name, and here B is silent. Abbe, A-B-E. That means eyeball approach. Here we see that this is the eye. Suppose lens. This is the lens. This is the eye. We generally indicate this is the goddess eye. Eyeball. And whenever you see that in the village area, in town area, whenever a whenever a mother uses kajal in his eye to child, we see that this here she starts this point and up very sharply goes to this point, not breaking. Suppose here is two points, and this is the point 1, 2, so many points. You make this. No, this is the correct, not correct way. Correct way is this. You start and this is the curve. You take only 2 points, 1, 2 and 3. Because we know that from 3 points we may draw the curve, we may plot the curve. So here we see that there are so many points up to suppose 6 or 8 points, but we simply take 3 points. First point, second point, and this is the third point. Here this is the first point, this is the second point, and this is the third point. And this approach is called eyeball approach. So do you follow or not? Because this is very up to mark, and this is the very important for semiconductor devices. Because PN junction is the first critical diode of the semiconductor devices. Thank you.